Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Gradle for private repo credentials step by step clearly. Start by opening your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your project's root directory. Locate the Gradle.properties file. If the file doesn't exist, create a new one in the root directory. Open the Gradle.properties file in a text editor. Add your private repository URL to the file. Format the URL as follows: repository URL equals https://your.repo.url. Next, add your username and password for the repository. Use the following format for your credentials: repo user equals your username. On the next line, add your password, repo password equals your password. Save and close the Gradle.properties file. Now, open your build.gradle file in the root directory. In the repositories section, specify your private repository. Use the following syntax to add your repository: maven URL repository URL. Add the necessary authentication code for your repository. Use the following syntax to include credentials, username repo user password repo password. Save and close the build.gradle file. Run your Gradle build command in the terminal. Verify that the build succeeds without authentication errors. If any issues arise, double-check your Gradle.properties for typos. You should now have the necessary authentication set up for your private repository. You're all set to start using your private repo with Gradle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.